About 80% of people all over the world suffer from back pain as well as spine related issues. Are you the person suffering from spine injuries or back pain, or do you like to prevent back pain and cure back pain fast and strengthen your spine? This is the video for you. Stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, and today we are gonna discuss about your spine is the central support system of your whole body. Spine is very crucial for every organism in order to walk properly, sit properly. So spine is everywhere. Okay, so spine is very important for a human being because spine keeps our musculoskeletal system proper way. It maintains your posture, it maintains your balance of the body and everything else. So spine is very important, and that's what today in this video we are going to talking about, how to prevent spine injuries and how to cure faster from spine injuries. So watch it. First, let's talk about what are the drawbacks that we are doing in our daily life that which affects our spine, right? So first thing is I'm going to say all those mistakes what we are doing in our daily life. Okay, so first thing is sitting for a long period of time. Okay guys, so everyone sits, right? If you're sitting with a phone, we will sit at least like being like 1 to 2 hours. We will sit in the same place without moving our body. So at a period of time, suddenly when you're sitting and sitting for a long period of time and you're maintaining this day by day, it is giving pressure in your spine especially. You maybe ask me that how it gives a pressure. First of all, when you're sitting for a long period of time, your hip is getting more pressure, right? Your hip is getting more pressure. So what's the connection between our hip and our spine? Exactly, our spine and our hip both are connected. Okay, due to neurologically, our spine and our hips are connected. So when you're putting more pressure on your hips, it is more giving twice time pressure more than your hips to your spine. So your spine is getting more pressure than your hips. So what happens at a period of time when you're sitting for a long period of time, the spine is losing its balance and flexibility. This will result in lower back pain as well as upper back pain. Okay, so there are different stages of back pain that doctors may explain you that what type of treatment you have to do, what type of ways we can follow to treat that back pain. So there are many stages of back pain. I will explain you later. So basically, sitting for a long period of time is very bad because your spine is getting totally affected and you're losing your spine's flexibility, and in future you may experience chronic back pain which may be not cured only by management. So, and here comes the second thing, which is vitamin D. Yes, here comes our diet. So diet is also very crucial guys, because whatever you eat is whatever your body looks. So the daily diet that we are following is where it matters a lot. You have to take the foods rich in vitamin D especially, and you have to, if you want to gain vitamin D at most for your body, you have to spend your body at least for like 20 to 30 minutes in the sunlight. People may not go sunlight due to this COVID situation, but I'm recommending you all, even you're a COVID patient, you have to wake up and you have to show your body to the sunlight. Sunlight is one of the best source of energy for all the human being, and if you want to get a proper vitamin D absorption, you have to show your body to sunlight. Sunlight is very important. So if you want to gain your vitamin D, you have to show your body to sunlight. Okay, and I'm recommending you to start eating more vitamin D rich food. Vitamin D rich food means milk, paneer, cheese. Then you can take supplement also, but according to me, I don't recommend supplement rather than your dietitian recommends. Some people will be in vitamin D deficiency. So if you go to the people and if you ask, do you have back pain? Of course, they will have back pain. The reason, because vitamin D is very important for the calcium absorption. You guys may ask me that calcium is very important for our body, right? But without vitamin D, calcium cannot be absorbed by your body to your bones. So your bones need proper amount of vitamin D. So basically our spine is totally a bone, it's a musculoskeletal system, it's a part of that. So you have to take vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial in order to prevent back pain. Here comes one of the most important point I have to say in this video, which is your sleep, right? Sleep is very crucial for the proper amount of rest and proper amount of healing for our body. That's right. But you should know how to sleep properly. Basically nowadays people are they're sleeping, but they don't know how to sleep in the right position. Position of sleeping is also matters for a good amount of rest for your body. So you should know that the sleep pattern, I mean the sleep position which is good for your spine. Okay, so I may recommend that sleeping in this position, not this one. So from today onwards follow this position. You will surely experience that good amount of rest for your spine, and especially for people who are suffering from back pain issues, I'm highly recommending you to sleep in this position. Okay, you got me right. So please sleep in this position. This position is very important for back pain patients or the people who are treating themselves for back pain. Guys, coming to the last point of this video, I like to share this important information to this video especially. So first thing, you should know that how to keep your purse in the proper way. Many people, they suffer from back pain, I think due to this issue. They are starting to keep their purse in their back pocket. So so the reason why I'm telling you to stop keeping your purse in the back of the pocket, because it can cause serious back injury. It can cause serious back injury. It can take you to even to chronic back injury. So the reason I will explain you how it affects. So when you're keeping your purse in the back of the pocket, it is pinching a nerve called sciatic nerve. So when this nerve is getting affected, you're getting back injuries, as well as you're having more chances of hip injuries as well. So you will also have back pain as well as hip pain. So what happens after a period of time, when you're starting to keep day by day, what happens, basically your spine is straight, just like this, straight, right? When you're keeping a purse in this side, I mean right side, your spine at a period of time, your spine may move this way. So once it start to move just like this, you will find yourself difficult to stand up yourself and balance your body in order to sit. So you will feel very painful back injuries, because you're keeping this purse for a long period of time, and it's also causing nerve damage. As I said, sciatic nerve is getting damaged. So it is causing a lot of problem. So you have to stop using stop putting your purse in the back pocket. Try to always to keep your purse in the front pocket as much as possible. So yes, we have discussed all the mistakes that we are doing in our daily life, and how to correct them also I have discussed in this video. So now I'm going to say you that how to strengthen your spine in order to avoid back pain as well as injuries. Okay, first exercise I would recommend you to do is back flexion exercise. Okay, this will flex all your spine muscles as well as your lower back muscles, which is excellent exercise for your spine. Second exercise, knee to chest stretch. This is also an amazing exercise to increase your flexibility of your whole spine muscles. Third exercise is chin to chest stretch. Then fourth exercise is ear to shoulder stretch. Then last exercise is hip stretch. This all the exercise are wonderful exercise, guys. You have to try every day, cause I'm also doing all those exercises in my daily routine, and I can feel the difference before doing and after doing. And this all the exercise what I was said is really good, because you have to try this exercise in order to strengthen your spine. I'm recommending this exercise for both people who are suffering from back pain as well as people who are following a healthy lifestyle. That's it, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope you liked this video. And I have made this video especially for those people who are suffering from back pain issues and people who are trying to prevent themselves from getting spine related problems. And I have seen back pain is a common it's like a disease nowadays. People are getting nowadays daily back pain, and they don't know what is the holistic plan in order to tackle the specific problem. So I hope this video is helpful, and whatever the exercise that I have given in this video, you have to do every day in order to maintain your spine's flexibility and to strengthen your spine. So I hope this video is very helpful, and follow all these tips, and please share with your friends, your families and your circles. And I hope this video is very helpful, and if you like, then please support me by giving this big thumbs up, and comment down and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.